It's becoming warmer, and the bears are keen to shed their thick winter coats. Mothers show the cubs what to do about this. They'll soon catch on. Some trees, it seems, are particularly suitable for rubbing. Bears have their favourites and will travel long distances to visit them. Some itches just have to be scratched. As they rub, each leaves an individual and recognisable scent. So the tree soon carries a list of who's around, which might help individuals to avoid a fight. But summer is short. Itches satisfactorily scratched. It's time to eat.